Hi friends, this is Yutika and welcome back to my channel Yuti Arts. Today I am starting a new paint work which is different than what I usually do, that is painting on canvas. I had always wanted to do a wall painting and I finally have started one. So excitement is at its peak. Behind me is a wall in my bedroom and as you can see I had done some of the sketches with chalk to start with. You can see we are going to paint some of my favorite cartoon characters. These characters are lovely. I love them. I will now finalize the sketch with a graphite pencil. So don't go anywhere. It is really going to be exciting. I know the video is going to be a bit lengthy, but don't worry. I will speed up the video at places. If you are new or haven't subscribed my channel yet, so smash that subscribe button fast. Also like and share the video and do let me know your views about the video in the comment section below. So without waiting any further, let's go and finalize the sketch. That was exhausting. We have finished the final sketch on the wall, as you can see behind me. The next step is coloring. For that we need to first know what colors we need. I will do it tomorrow. I will be sharing with you what colors I will be using, what brushes I will be using as we go along. So stay tuned. Now it's time to rest. So friends, it's day 2 and we are going to start with the next part of our wall painting. We are going to start coloring the wall by applying the base color white. We are trying to do the wall paint on a budget, so we are not going with any artist grade paint. We are using simple oil based wall paint. We are using Asian paints for the coloring part, and also we are not going odorless, so we are using turpentine oil, and for that we have kept our windows open for the ventilation part, as you can see. So let's start with the base paint. Let's go. totally exhausted. It's time for coffee. Finally, the base coat is completed, as you can see behind me. So it's time to clean up.